Hello my dear student, welcome back on my YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss and solve the book exercise of the chapter 7. The name of the chapter is Major Industries. In the previous video I have explained about the major industries. It is the distribution of the major industries and which is the very important part of the major industries. Okay, the distribution of major industries, we can divide the industry into the three parts. One is the iron and steel industries. Okay, second is the textile, cotton or textile industry, and third is the information technology. Okay, so in the first is it the iron and steel industries. Most famous and popular industry is the Tata Iron and the Steel Company. Okay, its short name as a TISCO. It is situated in the Jharkhand, uh, located in a Jamshedpur, Jharkhand, and the Jamshedpur has an ideal location in the term of the transport network. It is 240 kilometers from the Kolkata and lies on the major Howrah Nagpur. Okay, and here is also the iron and the steel industries that is the located between the Hudson and the Lake Erie of the Michigan State, USA. USA means America. Its nickname as a automobile capital of the world. The name of the company is the auto capital of the world. Where it is situated? It is situated in Detroit. Okay, and next industry is cotton textile industries. You know very well about that. The what is the means of the textile, and how can we divide it? The natural fiber and the man-made fiber, and the place that is the very popular for the cotton and textile industry as a Ahmedabad, Osaka. Okay, and both state Ahmedabad also known as a Manchester of India. Okay, so and Osaka is an important textile center of the Japan. Okay, now it is also known as a Manchester of Japan. Okay, next is the information technology. Bangalore is a place that is the very famous and popular for the information technology, and it is also known as a electric city. Okay, second is the it is a city of the future. Okay, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru also described about the city as a future of the city of the future. Okay, in the 1970s. Okay, next is a famous industry of the information technology as a Silicon Valley. Okay, Silicon Valley is a IT industry, birthplace of the IT industry, and it is lies in the Santa Clara country of the state of California. Okay, the Silicon Valley is the area 30 to 40 miles south of the San Francisco. Okay, so it is a short introduction of the chapter. Now we have to solve the book exercise of this chapter. First is the multiple choice question. A dash lies 240 kilometers from the Kolkata and lies on the major Howrah Nagpur Mumbai rail line. So I hope you all know very well about that. The option is the B. Okay, B is a correct option, so our correct answer will be Jamshedpur. Second is the dash has its own coal fired thermal plant and thermal electric plant, so it will be the TISCO. Option number C will be correct. Okay, third is the iron ore for the Detroit automobile industries comes from the shore of which shore? It is the Lake Henderson. Okay, shore of Lake Henderson, and where it is situated? It is situated in USA. Okay. Fourth is because of low wage, the US companies that shifted to India report nearly dash percent saving. So its correct option will be D. Okay, 60% saving. Clear? Now fifth statement is both dash and dash are seen leading global technology hubs in the world. So I hope you all know very well about that. The in India, the Bengaluru, and in the California, Silicon Valley, both are the seen as the leading global technology hubs in world. Okay. Third, next exercise is a fill in the blanks or gap filling. First statement is located in dash in Jharkhand. So everyone know very well about that. It is a very popular place. It's nominated or named by the Jamshedji Tata, and the place name is Jamshedpur. Okay, Jamshedpur in the Jharkhand. The Tata Iron and Steel Company is one of the oldest steel and plant country. Now second statement is the town of Jamshedpur is named after Sir Jamshedpur Tata as a previous statement of this exercise. Okay, who pioneered developments in the area of Sakshi. Okay, I hope you know where it is situated. It is situated in Jharkhand. Okay, next is third, iron ore from it is a very important place for the Tisco company. Mayurbhanj, Kendura, Ganjgarh, and Singhbhumi. All three places, Mayurbhanj and Kenduragarh, both are situated in Orissa, and the Singhbhumi we have to find it in a Jharkhand. Okay, and they are provide raw material for the Tisco company. Okay. Fourth is Detroit has a regular supply of hydroelectric power from the Niagara Falls. Okay, Niagara Fall power plants. Now fifth is the IT software and service industries accounts for about 2% of India's gross domestic product. Gross domestic product means GDP of India. Okay. Next is option number 6, considered as the birthplace of the IT industry. The birthplace of IT industry known as a Silicon Valley. Okay, where it is situated lies in the Santa Clara country of California. And where is the California? California is situated in America. Okay. Next, seventh option. The foundation of the Silicon Valley was laid at the end of the World War II. You know very well the period of the World War II as a 1939 to 1945. After the World War II, the Silicon Valley founded. Okay, and exits. Now, statement number 8. The Subarnrekha and the Kharkhai rivers in the Jamshedpur region ensure the regular supply of water required by the plant. Okay. Now, exercise number C, write true and false for the following statement. So first statement is Tata Steel Limited is located in the state of the West Bengal. It is a false statement. Why? Because the Tata Steel Limited is located in the Jharkhand. Okay, the place name of the Jharkhand, Jamshedpur. Okay, Jamshedpur in Jharkhand. Second option is Bengaluru and Silicon Valley are important center of the cotton textile industry. It is a false statement. Why? Because the Bengaluru and Silicon Valley are important center for the information technology, not for the cotton textile industry. Okay. Third is Silicon Valley is located in Canada. No, it is a wrong statement. So where Silicon Valley is located? It is located in California. Okay. Fourth is coal and manganese industries are raw material of the iron and steel industries. Yeah, it's correct option. So write down true for this fourth statement. Okay, correct, right, true. Fifth is Jamshedpur is located close to the confluence of the river Subarnrekha and the Kharkhai in the West Bengal. Yeah, it is both are the rivers situated in the West Bengal, but Jamshedpur located in the Jharkhand, and the both river coming from the West Bengal. So this statement, this sentence or statement is also a correct. So write down true. Now exercise number D. D is a match the following group or column. First is a California. You know it is a place where it is situated in America, and the option will be Silicon Valley is located in California. Second is the Tisco is a company of the steel and iron, and where it is situated in Sakshi. Okay. Third is Jawaharlal Nehru also say a statement. The statement is that the city of future, this city of future used for the city as a Bangalore. Okay. Fourth is a Detroit is a company that is situated in USA. Okay. And fifth is a hub of IT is a Bangalore. Okay. So I hope you all understand about the book exercise of this chapter, and you have to also solve the book exercise like a short type and answer type of question in your CW copy. I hope you can do it in your CW copy and book work, solve your book works. So we have to meet in the next video.